How to remap your mouse buttons on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to swap your mouse's primary and secondary buttons using Windows built-in settings. First, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left side menu. Let me show you. From there, click on Mouse to open the mouse settings. At this point, look for the option labeled Primary Mouse Button. In the next step, click on Right instead of Left if you want your button swapped, such as for left-handed use. Following this, close Settings once your preference is set. Once done, click your mouse buttons to test that the swap has been applied correctly. Keep in mind, Windows only lets you swap left and right click here. It doesn't support remapping side buttons or assigning custom actions without extra software. Finally, install Microsoft Mouse and Keyboard Center from the Microsoft Store if you want more advanced remapping, such as assigning side buttons to copy or paste. And that's it. If this guide helped you remap your mouse buttons on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next one.